A friend of mine has suggested to use freelance. It's an open source alternate to OpenLens. Let's quickly test this out. So as you can see, I'm running on Windows. So let me just find something to run on Windows. Winget. Okay, I do have Winget. So let me install this. I am expecting this to run so in 1 minute, I guess. Meanwhile, we can have a look at the Kubernetes cluster that I have. So I have a small time cluster where I am running a deployment with 4 replicas. Okay, it's installed. I can just, okay, should I say, I think it's like I should run it as an administrator. And then here's my kind cluster. It's getting connected to kind. Okay. All right. So there you go. You can see my 4 pods. You can also see my deployment up and running. I don't have any other resources. Maybe some services. Yeah, full of services. So let's tweak something in my deployment. Let's click here, see if I can edit. Okay, I can edit it here. I can go here and let's say it's called a dupe, and then let's save it and close it and see what is happening with the pods. Okay, there you go. The 2 pods are done and dusted. Let's say if I want to look at, okay, I can get into the pod shell. So here I am. I can look into my pod shell. Log Nginx. So I can also access my logs. It's pretty cool. I think I'm not tested it full blown. Maybe you can have multiple clusters, and I'm quite sure you will find it really handy. Let's see if I have any persistence volumes. Okay, I have a standard local path. Yeah, I do have some endpoints that are related to Nginx service. So yeah, I think this is really handy. This is really cool. This is very fast. I hope this is useful. Just give it a shot, man.